Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy CAT, and in this video I'm going to explain a very tricky question from simple interest and compound interest. But before that, quickly take a glance at my profile. So my name is Ronak Shah, and this is a bit about myself, and these are the subjects that I teach, and apart from that I also help students for interview and college selection process. So make sure that all of you have subscribed to this channel Unacademy CAT and also be part of my Telegram group. If you have any query, you can also ping me on my Telegram ID, that is Ronak_live. So let's go ahead with the question. The question says that ratio of CI for 3 years and SI for 1 year on a certain sum at same rate of interest. We do not know what is the rate of interest, but it is same for both CI as well as SI. So that ratio is 3.64:1. So find the rate percent per annum. And we are also given the convenient options. So let's see how to solve this question. I'm going to take option based approach because that will be better rather than solving complicated equations. Now before we go ahead, you should know certain basic things, that for example, if I invest 1000 rupees, say at the rate of 10% per annum, so what will be my simple interest? So my simple interest for 1 year, so simple interest for 1 year will be rupees 100, and my compound interest for 3 years, you can quickly calculate what will be the compound interest. So it will be 1.1 ka cube, that is 1.331 into 1000, so it will be 1331, but that will be the amount minus principal karoge to aapko compound interest milega 331. So what is the ratio of CI for 3 years to SI for 1 year? SI for 1 year. So this ratio will come out to be 3.31:1, right? So but then we are given the ratio as 3.64:1. So that means the rate of interest has to be more than 10%. In fact, actually when you are solving such questions in exam, you should know that at 10%, the compound interest for 3 years will be 331 rupees, and simple interest for 1 year will be 100 rupees if the principal is 1000. Okay, so you can quickly make out that this answer has to be more than 10%. So you can eliminate two options, that is option A and option C. Now we need to decide which between option B and D is correct, right? So for that, once again we'll proceed and we'll take a different approach. So let's understand how to do it. So now let me assume that principal is rupees 100 and rate of interest is R% per annum. Okay, and this is what we need to find out. So here once again, can I say compound interest for 3 years? Compound interest for 3 years. So the formula is for compound interest is P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to 3, or you can say whole raised to n. Let me just write down the formula and then I'll write the values. Minus 1. Okay, so this will be the compound interest. Now we know principal is 100 rupees. R we don't know, number of years is 3, so I'll replace it with these values, right? Similarly, simple interest for 1 year, so it will be nothing but 100 into R upon 100, right? So you can straight away say it is nothing but it's going to be R rupees. Are you all clear with this? It will be R rupees, the interest part. Simple interest for 1 year, first year will be R rupees. So now we are given this ratio. Okay, we are given this ratio, right? So how to solve this question? Let's understand. And we are given this ratio as 3.64:1. So let me just write down over here. This is nothing but 3.64 divided by 1. Right now what I'm doing is I'm replacing R upon 100 with R. So R upon 100 is R. So can I say R should be equal to 100R, right? So instead of this capital R, I'll write down 100 into R, and instead of R upon 100, I'll write that small r. Now this is the standard replacement that we do when we are solving complicated compound interest question. You can always remember, you need not write that R upon 100, you can straight away write small r. So that will somewhere simplify your calculations. Now just observe this value 3.64. Okay everyone. So if I just simplify this thing, first of all this 100 part will get cancelled off, so I am left with this one, 1 plus R whole cube minus 1 divided by R. Let's multiply this R over here on this side, so we will get this, we will get as 3.64 into R. Now if you are taking R as 20%, so your R will be 0.2. If you are taking r as 12.5%, then your small r will be 0.125 and so on and so forth. So what I'll do is I'll try to plug in the values from the option. This looks slightly easy, so let's try for this option. If I take r is equal to 0.2, so my left hand side will be 2 into 364 is 728, so 0.2 into 3.64 will be 0.728, which is equal to, if I just replace r with 0.2, so it is 1.2 cube. Now 12 cube is 1728. As I always recommend and suggest that you should remember cubes of first 15 numbers. So 12 cube, you should be very clear, it is 1728. So 1.2 cube will be 1.728 minus 1. So can I say this will come out to be nothing but 720.728. Since my left hand side is equal to right hand side, so value of r has to be 0.2, and the correct answer option is nothing but 20%. So I'm sure all of you have understood how to solve such question in about 2 to 3 minutes time. If you come across such question in CAT exam, you can definitely spend 2 to 3 minutes time and you can solve this question. Right. So if you come across more such doubts, and if you are there on plus, then there is a feature, ask your doubt. Like you can see this video similarly on Unacademy Learning App. If you have this plus or iconic subscription, you can submit your doubt. You can take the screenshot of the question where you have doubt, you can upload it on the app, and the expert will send you similar video solution, right? So if you want to avail such feature and all such facilities, definitely you can explore the Unacademy Plus subscription. Do not forget to use my code, that is SHAH10, when you go for Unacademy subscriptions. That's it from this video, and we'll keep coming up with more such. Thank you.